Mr. Piyush Joshi, to respond to what Tuhin Sinha said, I get a sense that you are saying that let there be an investigation if there are irregularities, yes?
Whatever CAG has done, when we discuss about that alleged liquor policy scam, there was loss of profit, loss of revenue, which was going to be earned by the Delhi government, which was mentioned in the CAG report on liquor policy, which vindicated our point. So when we talk about the healthcare infrastructure, there are two kinds of audit. One is the financial aspect of audit, which is conducted by the CAG. Another is the medical audit. Conduct a medical audit, find out how the people of Delhi have benefited by mohalla clinics. Conduct medical audit everywhere in the nation and find out how their healthcare infrastructure is doing all across the nation. We are talking. I'm happy for one thing, that at least Mr. Tuhin Sinha, as official BJP spokesperson, admitted that Delhi is doing much better on all the healthcare indices as compared to states which are being run by the Bharatiya Janata Party double and triple engine ki sarkar for last 20 odd years, 25 odd years. So in last 25 years, BJP could not improve their healthcare indices. I come from a state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. In the case of infant mortality rate, Madhya Pradesh is topping since last 20 years. Madhya Pradesh is number one when it comes to infant mortality for last 20 years.
Closing comments. There's all of this talk of scam, but Tuhin Sinha, can the BJP afford to preach is what Aam Aadmi Party is questioning here.
No, first of all, again, my words have been distorted. I said being the national capital of India, Delhi was always supposed to be way better in terms of health indices than other states. Where did I name anything? Please don't mislead people on India Today. The viewers of India Today, everybody is aware how you have looted Delhi, and that is the reason why you have been reduced from 63 seats to a mere 22 seats. Now, I think the least Aam Aadmi Party can do is to own up and say we goofed up. There was corruption. We will improve. We will do better than this. What I can assure you today is that the Aam Aadmi Party today is still demanding when is the medical audit coming out. We will get to the bottom of everything possible to make sure that all of the glaring inconsistencies of Aam Aadmi Party government, their corruption is exposed, and Arvind Kejriwal rightly goes where he is supposed to be, which is behind bars.
Piyush Joshi, will you concede that these reports, first the excise policy and now this on health, is denting the Aam Aadmi Party's image of being corruption-free?
There's only 3% vote difference, and we will bridge them next time. So just to count the number of seats is a little bit preposterous and overconfident on the part of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The only problem with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal was that I've told on your program as well that he dared to talk about healthcare and education system, and he dared to provide those facilities that too of good quality to the people of Delhi who could not afford it, in a country run on emotive issues. So the least Bharatiya Janata Party can do is to fulfill its promises, which it has made, big promises to the people of Delhi, and just work on that particular thing, that they don't turn out to be the Modi's jumlas. Those are kind of guarantees which the Bharatiya Janata Party has made to the people of Delhi. Fulfill them. And as far as Delhi is concerned, we will bridge those 3% votes in the very next election. Rest assured, sir.
Okay, all right. We'll see what happens. 2 of the 14 pending CAG reports have been tabled, and we've been seeing a fight. Tuhin, I've run out of time. I'm sorry. But thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us here on India Today. You've heard from the BJP and AAP, and with, of course, the rest of the CAG reports to be tabled. We'll see how this plays out politically as well.